My name is Whitney Mesi, and I'm the head turf manager of Oklahoma softball. Typical work day for me is just working with the team and preparing practices, games, all the things, and just kind of just working alongside the team and just kind of on the back end of things and being the team behind the team. Day to day, my field is a dirt infield natural outfield, and so I spend 50-50 time on the dirt and preparing that surface for practices and games. On the back end of it, I'm edging, mowing, weed eating, putting out some patterns and putting out some logos, and just kind of keeping everything tight for games and practices. I've got 6 guys on the crew, 6 full-timers. We've got 2 part-timers and 1 work-study student. Reliability in product and equipment is super important to our sport. And I feel that a product like ABI Force allows me the most success in my day-to-day grounds chores. And you know, it's important that we match the standard of the elite athletes that we have in our program and within our team. And using a product like ABI Force allows me to do that every day. The standard of all of college softball and softball in grounds in general is based off of here, and it's the softball capital of the world, and so you kind of want to fit that standard and fit that mold, and so I knew that was a product and equipment that I wanted in my fleet. A little full circle moment, just kind of being here because I got introduced to the equipment at the World Series, and a product like that just on the prestigious stage of Division I college softball. It was new to me. I had never been introduced to a product like that and equipment like that, and so the guys that are here also today are guys that I look up to in the industry and guys that have helped shape and mold me into the turf manager that I am today. And so we've spent a lot of time on the stadium at Devon Park and on the backfields, just kind of learning the equipment and just allowing it to shape the turf manager that I am today. Precision is super important. It's at this level and at the elite level of softball that I'm around every day. It's important because the details, the small details that tie a really good field together is what separates great from elite. And like I said, just kind of trying to match the standard of the elite athletes that we have within our program is super important to that, and ABI allows me the most success at that every day.